So in this one, I'm going to be showing you a different method, which is very similar to the make a new 10. This one is called making the next 10. So with making a new 10, we only had single digit numbers. 9 plus 6, 8 plus 3, whatever it is that goes over 10. In this one, making the next 10, now we're adding to create multiples of 10. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so that way we can make our addition easier. Now both of these only work best when you have that, you're adding a single digit to whatever number you have. So you might have a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. So the way this one works is it starts out very similar. You're going to look to see which one is closer to the next 10. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, whatever multiple of 10 we're looking for. So our 18 is closer to the next 10. This 8 in this 1's place lets us know this one is closer than the 4. So this one, I'm going to stay the same. Now, you could still draw a representation to help you with this one, but it'll look a little different. So I'm using base 10 to help me out. So we do 1 10, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1. So there's my 18. Now I'm going to add 4 to this number. So first things first, I need to decide how much does this need to get to that next 10. Well, if I look at my 1s, I have 8. Well, the friend that makes our 10, our friend of 10, is 8 plus 2 will give me my next 10. So I'm going to make a number bond here, and I'm going to take out the part that I need. So I need 1, 2 over here, so I'm going to take that out. And then I still have, so that's 2, 3, 4 over here. So I had 2 other parts that were over here. And then we read it to make sure it makes sense. 2 plus 2 equals our 4, because my parts have to equal my whole. Now from here, I'm going to make sure that I add these together. So 18 plus 2 gives me my 20, plus I don't have that 4 anymore because I rearranged it, those 2 that are left over. So 20 plus 2 equals 22. So I know that my answer up here will also be 22 because I still had the 18 and I still had the 4, I just moved them around. Remember, this only works with addition. So here's another example with a larger number. So just like in our last one, we have to look to see which one is closer to the next 10. So we have 6 and then we have 57. Well, that 57, that 7 in that 1's place lets us know that this is closer to the next 10. So this is the one that I want to make bigger to the next 10. So this is the one that I'm breaking apart. So I'm going to use my base 10 blocks. I have 5 10s. Remember, you don't want to close the gate because whenever we do base 10s, we don't close the gate. We need to see the individual numbers. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip a space, 6, 7. So here's my 57. Now I'm going to break this apart. So I have 7 1s by themselves. I want to get that to the next 10. So 7 plus 3 more will get me my next 10. So I have to go 1, 2, 3. So I take out that 3 and I'm going to move it over here. That's what that's showing right there. And now I need to see what I have left over. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me, I have a little burp there. So we know that the other part is going to be 3. So when I show this, I'm going to have my 57 plus 3. So I have 57, 58, 59, 60. That's my little counting on strategy that I talked about earlier in another video. And then I'm going to add whatever is left over right here. So this is 60 because I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 now. And then I have 3 more that I got to add to it. So 3 plus 60 or 60 plus 3 equals 63. If you have any more questions about this method, please let me know.